Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, we'll show you how to scan Clash Royale Share QR code in your Android or iOS. So it's a very easy process. First, open Clash Royale and open the game. Now wait for a few seconds. Now, after you have entered the game, go to the Battle section, which is at the very center. Then click on the People option or the Share option at the top. Then you will have the option of Invite Friend. Click on that, and after that, just choose Notes, and then right away you'll find the Share link. So you simply click on that and copy the entire link. Then you simply open your preferred browser. And then on the browser, search for an option like Link to QR code, and then open the first option. Now wait for a few seconds, and right away you can create your own QR code with the link. So all you have to do is enter the link and the QR code will be ready. And as you can see, this is one of the QR code that I've made, and if anyone will click on the QR code or scan the QR code, this will directly take them to the game, as you can see right over here. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to scan a QR code and send a QR code to your friends. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.